Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to open HSBC bank account online. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for HSBC bank account opening. Click on this first website over here. Now simply click on apply now. Now choose your country. And simply click on start application now. Now at first we need to enter all of our personal details including our email address, mobile number and home number and all of your personal details here. After which we need to enter our employment details and after which we need to enter our contact details as well. Once all of these steps are done, the verification of our details will be done and we need to provide our verification ID, that is identification cards as well. Once all of the process is completed and the verification is completed, we can finally create HSBC bank account online. So that is all we can do. After completing all these 6 steps, our account will finally be opened. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.